Imagine crossing the globe in under 30 minutes. The future of travel is closer than you think. We are on the verge of a revolution in transit that will change how we connect with the world. For too long, long-haul flights have meant hours of fatigue and stolen time. But the status quo is being challenged. SpaceX is developing technology to compress the London to New York journey into a mere half-hour experience. This isn't science fiction. It is an engineering roadmap focused on point-to-point suborbital flight. With modern rocketry, we are transitioning from theoretical concepts to tangible testing phases. By launching into a suborbital arc, we bypass the limitations of traditional atmospheric drag. The backbone of this change lies in infrastructure. We are moving from airports to designated spaceports. Cities are already breaking ground on new facilities, planning for a new kind of passenger terminal. Strategic cities are positioning themselves to become the travel hubs of this new, faster era. The question is no longer if this will happen, but how quickly you will adapt to the shift. This shift will disrupt logistics, business, and personal connectivity on a global scale. Understand the future now, or risk being left behind in the race for global connectivity.